Yeah, welcome now from the Homag showroom. We now have the option to show ServiceBoard in live in combination with the machine, and therefore I opened up ServiceBoard already on my mobile phone, which is an app that you can use on your iPhone or any Android smart device or even tablet. So the first thing we see is an overview of all service cases. So you see there are many service cases with a green hook. So these service cases have been solved already by the Homag service. And now we have the option to open up a new service ticket, and this is easily done in 3 simple steps. Therefore, I click on the upper right side on the white icon with a plus in it. I do select the service partner that is needed for the service case, which is Homag in that case. And in the second step, I have to select the machine. So therefore, I can use the icon on the right hand side and choose the machine that's on the list, or I'd rather go the simple way by scanning the QR code. So this is what we do right now. I click on the QR code button. Simply scan the QR code that's on the machine, and here we see the CNC is selected already. I click on the next button on the right hand side, and now we are at the heart of the service case description. So here we enter a short description. So in that case, we do have a problem with the vacuum suction. And in addition, I can select whether we do have a production stoppage or not. So it indicates the urgency of our service case. And the third step is then to attach a picture. So this is so simple because I click on the crash field. And one option is to simply take a photo of the arrow that we do have at the machine. So I simply use this photo, add it to this service case, and the next step is that I click on the send button to just transfer this ticket to the Homag service in that case. So here we see data is being sent to Homag, and in the next step we do have the overview of all service tickets where we see the new service ticket that we just initiated and sent to Homag. So here we do have this orange arrows that go in a circle, and this indicates that we do have a new service case that does not have a solution yet. So this is how easy and simple and of course fast it is to initiate a service ticket rather than calling a service hotline and being put on hold. So next step would be that we wait for video diagnosis. So a big feature of our ServiceBoard is that you can easily connect with your service technician, and therefore I do click on the video diagnosis section and see that the service technician already initiated a video diagnosis for us. In our case, it's Ralf Böse who will support us now with our problem, and therefore I simply click on the video icon and see that the service technician will join soon. My camera is now transferring my icon, and now we are waiting for our service technician to join. Of course, one option is to show my nose, but the other option is to change the camera to the rear camera, and then we go into the machine and show Ralf what the issue is. Hi Ralf.
Hi Julia.
Hi. So let me show you which issue I do have, and therefore I turn my camera around.
Okay.
So these are the parts that do not fix properly. So do you have any idea what I can do next?
Yes, I already saw it. Can you push the vacuum button at the beam 1?
Is it that one?
Yes, that's the button.
Alrighty.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I already hear the noise. Great. So thanks for your help.
No problem at all, yeah?
So see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So of course this was just one simple, quite trivial case that we solved right now, but this was to showcase how easy it is then when you transfer via video what your issue is, and the service technician can help you quite easy. So going back to the overview of all service cases, the corresponding service technician would now type in the solution that we found, and this solution is shared amongst my team who uses ServiceBoard as well. So this is the real beauty also of the ServiceBoard, that you do have all service cases in one place and that the whole team can access all service cases there. So imagine working in shifts. Now your colleagues are coming to the next shift and facing a similar or same issue at the machine. They can easily open up ServiceBoard, look up the previous service cases and see what the solution was that we already found for that issue.